everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have the Jordan 1 Travis Scott Black Phantoms on deck. These joints are pretty cool. You know, at first I was definitely fronting on these. I did not want anything to do with them. I'm like, nah, those are not it. I don't know why they did that. Those are crazy corny. But it was only until I got these joints in hand where I was like, all right, okay, these are actually kind of clean. And I think what it was the materials that really got to me. These joints are slated to release December 13th, I think, or something like that. Sometime in December, early December. And I don't know, I think a lot of people might have mixed feelings about these, but I can at least say the materials are clean. The suede is good. It's got a couple different types of suede on it. And then there's a couple different features of the shoe that I definitely like. But before we get into all that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends. That really helps the channel grow, and I really do appreciate that. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Make sure you check out my Reels page. You might see some stuff on there that I've done and some stuff that I haven't done yet. And last but not least, make sure you guys follow us in that Discord. The Discord link is in the description of the video. On all my videos, whichever one you watch, the Discord link is in the description. So if you want to know where to cop and all of that other stuff, you can go ahead and follow us in that Discord and get some real good information. All right, Jordan 1 Travis Scott Black Phantom. I know we're getting tired of the Travis Scott stuff. The Travis Scott stuff is kind of getting played out a little bit. It's just like, it seems like there's another colorway every single time, but at least they're doing something, you know what I mean? And I know there's a lot of speculation as to, is the hype dying down and all this other stuff? Who cares? We got shoes. Just make sure when you get your shoes, you wear them. That's really all I care about. I think this is a solid shoe. So Black Phantom coming out December. Let's jump into it. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this shoe because there's not really a lot to it. It's your standard Travis Scott low, but it's all black. And one of the key features that I like is that stitching. The stitching is all white or silver. I think it's white, and it really, really looks good. I think that this is a calm shoe. A lot of people might not even realize that you got a Travis Scott on when you wear these until they see that backwards swoosh. Other than that, this shoe is super calm, and I really, really like the material. So let's just jump in and break that down real fast. So all over the upper, you have a nice suede, but there are two different textures of suede. So the mid panel, the actual Nike swoosh, and the toe box itself is that short-haired suede that we're accustomed to seeing on some of the Travis Scott shoes. So you got that nice short-haired suede right here, which looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it feels nice. You got a little bit of transition to it. Don't mind the camera, it's playing tricks on us. But it's got a little bit of transition to it, but it is nice suede. Now that is coupled with a heavier suede, which is around the toe box, right here, around that midsection or that mid panel, and then around the heel of the shoe. So I'll just start at the toe box, and you guys can see, that's that flatter suede right there. That suede, it's nice. It feels good to touch. It really does, but it's not long-haired suede. It's a short-haired suede. More heavier suede is right here on that toe box, and you guys can see that different texture. I am moving it back and forth. There's a little bit of transition, and that's cool. You know what I'm saying? That's cool. I think when this gets wet or as it starts to age, this is gonna get a little ashy on us. So just make sure, you know, you got your little oils or whatever it is that you put on your shoe. Just make sure you have that, because you might need it as this shoe ages, especially if you want to keep that black. The toe box height does look good. I think the toe box height is nice on these joints. It's a little bit boxy. It's hard to see on the camera because I got a black background, but it's a little bit boxy, but you know, it's cool. It's cool. It's not super high. We got a black midsole right here and a black outsole right here. So it's all blacked out. Shoes all blacked out, all black everything. Looks cool. Outsole is all black right there. Nothing spectacular. Laces of the shoes are white and black. And this is kind of like a Argyle textile or something like that. And I did like that. I thought that that was pretty interesting. But the shoes also come with a separate set of laces, and you got that nice red right there. And then you have black, and these are the wax coated laces. So Very nice there. Heel of the shoe, we have our standard Wings logo right here, which looks okay, and it is stitched very well. But then we have something new. We have like a moth or a scarab or something like that right here on this left heel. And I think that that is a decent addition to the shoe. Definitely different. Never seen that before with the Travis Scott joint. So I don't know what he's doing here with this, but it definitely looks like a beetle of some sort or like a scarab or something like that. Another good feature of the shoe is the sock liner. Now the sock liner is like a really hairy wool or felt or something like that, and I thought that that was pretty interesting that he put that on the shoe. It is comfortable when you put your foot in these. This is real comfortable. It's nice and shaggy, so definitely did like that addition to the shoe. Tongue of the shoe, you got your Nike Air right here, and that is standard. It's black and white, which looks cool. And then you do get your Cactus Jack with that red on the side, so if you wanted to couple it with the red laces, that would be a clean look right there. Standard shoe tree comes with these joints, so nothing spectacular there. Insole of the shoe is the same stuff. I stepped in this one, so it's a little bit of stuff there, but you know, you get your Cactus Jack, you get your Jumpman logo, and then on the other shoe, you get your Travis Scott, and then you get your Cactus Jack in there. So very, very nice. We also have our Cactus Jack, just like on the other shoes, hiding behind that medial panel right there, behind that swoosh, and that looks really nice right there as well. So overall, shoe is very clean. I do like it. I think it's pretty cool, very nice. You get a couple lace options. It's an all black shoe. It is basic. I'm not trying to spend too much time, but you know, it's something new. It's something different. Definitely still a Travis Scott, but still, at least it's a solid colorway, all black. If I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm probably gonna go with a 7. It's not spectacular, it's black. I think more so for me, it's the construction of materials. That was probably an 8.5. I like the usage of different textiles of suede, and I do like that white stitching. It makes the shoe pop pretty good. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. So I hope this helps you make a decision. At least some people could get a chance to get these joints via StockX, GOAT, or any other means. Until then, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. You guys stay humble, you guys stay blessed. Peace.